Alright, MSD box is all done. Got a nice 8-pin WeatherPak on it. And I've wrapped it with our harness tape. Mucho better. Should come this way from MSD to begin with. So getting ready to finish our MSD wiring. Wick's got everything going through the firewall, through the stock grommet. We actually had to punch the hole out a little bigger, but Wick and I worked on that. Got everything, got all our leads where we need them. Everything is wrapped and hidden. This is primarily to do the MSD. We also have our 2 vacuum lines that need to go out, ran out perfectly. So now I needed the original ignition hot coil, which is supposed to be black with a pink. Well, good old Electric Limited put it as just straight up black. So I was having trouble locating it, but we just checked for continuity, so we're good to go there. So now I take and I cut this, and the switch side goes to all of our keyed positives, and then the other side, which is the coil side, is going to go to our coil positive wire from our MSD harness that we're building.